Everyone. Today we are going to make Warli art. Warli art is one of the oldest forms of tribal art in India, rooted in traditions of Warli tribe from Maharashtra. Using simple geometric shapes like circles, triangle, and squares, this art form truly depicts daily life rituals and the close bond between humans and nature. Traditionally painted in white on mud walls, Warli paintings are more than just visuals. They are stories of community, celebration, and harmony with the earth. So, today also, we are trying to bring that onto a sheet of paper. Here, I'm using a squarish kind of a rectangle paper. It's not perfectly rectangle, but it's not even perfectly square. And here I'm making a line at 0.5 and 1.5 centimeter. Make this line on all four sides of the paper. Now comes the part for the spiral. Leave 5 to 6 finger space from the bottom and make a line like this, kind of a swirl. And after making it perfectly, you make another line just above it at 4 finger space. Now make marks at 1 centimeter each on the line, and using these marks I will create perfect triangles for the border. By using the spiral that we created earlier, add people over there. I'm making an upside down triangle and then a straight triangle, a normal triangle. That will be the body of the person. Make one triangle next to the other for the upper part and for the lower part, making it like a Q that is being present in a spiral format. I'm first making the body of the people, and later on I'll add their head, their hands and their feet. I'm correcting the spiral a little bit over here, making the lines a bit darker so that it's clearly visible to you, and also adding another line for the head. Now that we are done with the body part, now we'll start making its head and neck. This way, add it all around in the spiral. Also simultaneously keep adding their feet as well for each person. Now let's start making the line for the tree. Before making the tree, let's add the triangles for the animal and a circular head for it, like this. Now over here, add the branches like this. Now start adding leaves for the branches over here, this way. Do this for all the branches that are present here. Now over here, make a sleeping line like this for the house. But before that, let's make the parrot that is sitting on the left side here. And next, add this line for the house. This way, this line goes up and then you join it. Make sure that the line is thinner on the left portion, and as it moves towards the right, it becomes thicker. Then over here, you add the moon in the sky and add a person that's inside the house. Again, using the triangles. This person is sitting over here and is cooking something. So we show something that is present over here in a circular format, and the hand of the person is reaching out over here. There's fire lit at the bottom of the utensil. Next, add the separation over here like this. Now over here, using triangles and circles, add a person over here. I make X and then I convert them into triangles and make a tail over here, add their legs and its head using a circle. Then make its horns as well and its mouth part like this. Next over here you make a flat line like this, make it double. Now over here make a standing line like this and then make another line on the other side for the hut and join these lines this way. Double up the bottom line and make a line like this, making a triangle at the top for the roof part. Add lines like this for the decoration. Now again add lines like this for the separation of the house here. Over here make flat lines like this. Make a person who is sitting over here in the house. This person is doing some household work, so it's sitting like that, and over here it's holding something and something is there on its lap as well. This way. Over here add a bird that's sitting on the roof. This part over here, make a person who is carrying a stick on its shoulders. Now over here make a triangle like this and then another triangle like this. There's a person who is holding some farming tool and he is also holding another person's hand, and then that other person is holding another kid's hand and they are moving towards their left as if they are going to do some farming. This little girl has also plaited her hair, so we are drawing it like this. There's also a farmer who's carrying head above his head like this. Now over here add another person who is engrossed in some work. This way. Now add plants at the bottom over here like this, and I'm adding this shape to them as well. Now over here there's another woman who is engrossed in some household work. She's wearing a juda and having some juda pins or some kind of decorational ornament on her hair. She's also holding a baby in her right arm. Also make an animal at the bottom over here beside the lady. Over here add the lines this way for the house. Inside the house, add the stairs this way and a baby who is lying like this on the cradle, and there's also a person that is sitting beside it. Here also we'll draw people who are engrossed in some household task. Add a basket over here like this and add a bird on top of the house over there. House. Now over here add a line like this and add leaves on them this way, making a plant. A couple of people over here also who are doing some dance or something. Add some grasses over here at the bottom as well to fill up the space, and that's it. In the next video, we'll paint this picture.